You are going to be missing just 2 ingredients for this breakthrough recipe, and it's going to be the number 6 in our New Year video series. If you can do this as I'm going to be outlining, then your new year is going to be the best year ever. Hi, you're welcome back to our channel Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 ingredients that you can use. We are going to be using dry corn, or what you call dry maize. Is that how you call it, dry corn or dry maize? Then the second thing we are going to be using is sugar or honey. If you cannot get sugar, then you can use honey. Now, what are we going to be doing with these 2 ingredients? 1, we are going to be getting dry maize or dry corn, as you want to call it. We are going to be mixing it in a bowl. We pour it in a bowl. Then you get sugar, the granulated sugar. You get 2 spoons, big spoons. You get 2 and put into the dry corn, and you are going to be mixing it together. But the question you might want to ask is the quantity of the dry corn. Just get a cup full, just a cup, big cup, the full. Just get a cup full of 1 cup is okay of the dry maize or dry corn. Pour it into a bowl, then add the 2 spoons of sugar. Then you mix everything together. And if you want to be using honey instead of sugar, then just 2 spoons, big spoon of honey is okay. Then you add it. And when you are talking of honey, we are talking of the original honey, the undiluted honey. Don't use diluted honey, the one that is not diluted, because they make it sharper. Then you mix everything together. Once you mix everything together, then you've done the first part of the recipe. The second part of the recipe, you are going to be praying on the mixture that you have. You pray on it very well. Once you pray on it very well, say all your intentions. Say how you want your new year to be. How you want your new year to be. Because this recipe is also a sweetening recipe. It's like you are asking for sweetness, blessings, success, breakthrough, open doors in the new year. So you want to sweeten your life. And what you are going to be doing with this, I'm going to be telling you in a short while. And it's going to be a surprise, because you might not even think along that line. But I'm still coming to that. So make sure you offer your prayer very well. You mix it together. While mixing it, you pray very well into the mixture. Once you pray very well into the mixture, then you look for a disposable plastic, a plastic that you can dispose. Just look for a disposable plastic, and you put it inside. You put the mixture inside and just place it aside. Now, the next step is, what are you going to be doing with that mixture? Now, you are going to be using the mixture as a gift. But this time, you are not gifting human. You are gifting those creatures that cannot tell you thank you. Or at this point, just go to the comments. If you know those creatures that will not tell you thank you, I'm giving you like 20 seconds. Go and type in the comment the name of those creatures. Just let me know, 1 or 2. Just write it. The creatures that will not tell you thank you. If you know it, just go to the comment and go and type the name of those creatures. Okay, let's continue. If you get it, then I want to say congratulations, because already you are in spirit, you are with me. Those creatures that will never tell you thank you are those creatures that will not ask you, they will never even ask you for things. They won't come to you and say, I need these things. And these creatures are simply the birds, the chickens, the goats. They wander about. They don't have anybody to ask anything from. They just wander around. Especially the birds. The birds fly everywhere. And you are going to be giving this to them. The symbolism of this is that as they are enjoying it, they are praying for you indirectly. They are enjoying it because you are giving them sweetness. You are giving them sugar. At the same time, you are giving them dry corn or dry maize. Those are things they love most, and you are giving them, you are sweetening them. At the same time, you are sweetening your own life because they will invariably pray for you. That was why I said you might not even guess what we are going to be doing with it. Now you understand what I mean. The essence of this, don't forget, these are spiritual recipes to sweeten the new life, to make the new year, to make our new year to be very great. And that's why it's a video series I've done. This is the 6th video in that series. So it is as simple as that. You are going to be sweetening your life, and you are making a preparation for a sweeter, for a better, for a glorious new year. And that's why you are doing what you are doing. Let me just recap. It is very simple. We are going to be using 2 ingredients: dry corn or dry maize, and sugar or honey. If you are not using sugar, then you are using honey. Those are the 2 things. The third thing that you need is your intention. What your mouth, you say it with your mouth, this is what I want. You pray for yourself, what the goodness you want in the new year, you pray for it. Because in the first video of this series, we did short cleansing baths to cleanse ourselves of the negativity of the ongoing year. And we also did sweet baths. We also did gifting of sugar, and this to humans, but this particular one is gifting to creatures that ordinarily will not tell you thank you. They will do it. They won't tell you thank you, but within them, they are saying thank you to you. They are already happy with you, and your life is going to be very, very sweet in the coming year. Now, when is the best time to do this? The best time to do this is in the evening. You don't do this in the morning. You don't do it in the afternoon. You do it in the night, around 10, 11. You have to do it before 12. You do it around 10, 11. And how are you going to be doing it? All you need to do is you carry the mixture that you've prayed onto, you mixed it, you pray with it, you leave your house. At least you go to about 3 or 4 streets to your house, or you go to a place, a busy road in the night that is a little bit far from your place. You just go and pour this. You are not going to be sprinkling it. All you need to do is just pour it and turn back. That was why I said you should get a disposable plastic that you can use, or anything disposable that you feel you can use. If it's polythene, fine. Just get something disposable that you won't need to be taking it back home. Because all you do is once you get there, just pour it and throw the plastic away. Then turn back and go on your own. Just go on your own. You've done your part, and the universe is definitely going to do its part. This is very good. It's simple but very, very effective. It is magical. You can see it's not something difficult. It's not, because a lot of people run away from spirituality because they feel it is difficult. This is not difficult. It's something you just do, and it is not diabolical. You can do this, but make sure you do it before getting into the new year. You can do it any day, you can do it any time, but make sure you do it before crossing over to the new year. Because a lot of people will be concerned about crossing over, but you can do this, but you should do this before crossing over. You have to do it before crossing over. So it is best done around 10 and 11 p.m. at night. Once you do it, then it's going to open doors, breakthrough, blessings, mercy, success in the new year. Go to the comment and tell me your preparation so far for the new year. Any of the recipe that I've given in this video series, if you've done any, just go and let me know. And if not done, just let me know what is stopping you from not doing it, so that we can have a way of helping each other. This is the next video I suggest you watch in this series. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together.